Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about my new cozy slippers. I love them. They're so warm and cozy. I love that they are this design where they go up a little bit. It's not just like a low slipper, but it is pretty high up my ankle, like a regular little bootie. I also love that they are cozy inside, but I also love that they're not this material the whole way through. My feet get really hot in slippers and I hate it. But I like these because they keep my feet warm when they need to, but they don't make them too warm. Don't look at the bottom of these slippers, but I like that they also have this like grippy material to help with any traction. I have crackers all over the bottom of these because my toddler likes to smush things. So don't mind that. The material is also really cool. It's like this fuzzy material, and then this is very soft. It also has the little tabs to help pull them on for you. So I love these. I definitely recommend them. I think they're cute. I think they're cozy and warm, and what more could you ask for in slippers? So check them out, and that is my point of view.